Just up in Airlie Beach. This is a modified Gloucester design. It is in a cyclonic region, so you can see all the cyclone assembly on the roof. It's a good sized family home, this one. It's 4 bedrooms plus a study, open plan living, 2.7 high ceilings. And they have used the Primeline Newport on the outside. They've picture framed all the doors and windows, which looks nice. The Primeline products do come pre-primed, which is that colour there, and you can see they've put the first coat of paint on the outside. So it's not too far off from getting completed. They have got the tint through the windows as well. And one of the best parts about this house is obviously it's a good simple house to build, good open plan living, and it's got a great big outside entertaining area as well, which is all undercover. Which is just over here. So yeah, it's not far off from being completed. They've got everything ready to put the plasterboard up. All the plasterboard is stacked inside. So over the next few months, they will have this fully completed.